If you are someone who wants to start your importation business this year or already into the importation business, then this video is for you. You see, many beginners struggle to make payment directly to the supplier in China. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own Alipay account, then verify your account in order for you to make payment directly to your supplier in China. Hello, my name is Said Saudekaba and this is Business with SK. So first of all, you head on to your app store or Play Store to download the Alipay app. Now you click on open and click on sign up. If you already have an account with Alipay, you can just click on the account and enter your phone number. So from here you select your country. I'm from Ghana, so I'll select Ghana. Then I'll enter my phone number. So here they want you to agree to the terms and conditions, so click on agree. So after agreeing to the terms and conditions, it will send you to this page where they want you to complete the verification process. So this one is just a puzzle. Someone might think I'm just playing the game, but you have to do this in order for them to complete your verification for you. After the verification is complete, they will send you an OTP for you to confirm again. So make sure the phone number you are using is very active. After entering the OTP, this will be your interface. Now click on the account and click on where the arrow is pointing at. From here, we are going to fill all the information here, especially the important ones: your name, your identity information, your account number, your email, and the others. The first thing you need to do here is fill your name. So I'll type CC, then click on save. So here I went back to refresh my page for you guys to see the name has reflected here. The next part is I'll take a picture of myself or select anyone I have. So right now we are done with the name and the picture part. The next part is your phone number, and the phone number we already did it at the beginning of the video, so in case you want to change it, you can change it there. And the most important part is the identity information. That's where you fill in your passport details. Here you can either fill it manually or take a picture of it for you to fill it automatically for you. And remember, it's not only passport you can use. Any identity card you have, you can use it, but passport is the most recommended. Okay, so let me fill my own. When I'm done, I'll show you guys. I'm done filling my identity information. From here, I have to still confirm my real name verification. So click on complete and it will send you to where you do your facial verification. Here, if you are not based in China, choose the first one, upload passport and verify your face. But if you are in China, like for the Chinese people, the second one is for them. The reason why they do the facial verification is they want to confirm whether the same picture on the passport is the same person doing the facial verification. In case you are using someone's passport, make sure the person is closer to you in order to do the facial verification. After the verification, go back to settings and click on payment setting. This is where you set your password. So now I'll set my password. Here I'm done entering my password. We'll go back to the interface and select settings and go to account and security. Okay, from here we just fill in our email address And also remember to use an active email address for this, because they will send you an OTP for you to confirm. So after the confirmation, I had to stop the recording and do the facial verification again, because the moment they detect a third party involved, it won't be complete. When I was done with the facial verification, I went to the interface to refresh my page and see. Now click on where the arrow is pointing and click on name card. So this is where we check whether our Alipay is verified or not, and as you can see, it's verified. If you don't see this verified here, it means you didn't do something well or something went wrong. So now I'll save my QR code to my pictures. This QR code is what you use to make payments, receive payments, and a whole lot. So make sure you save it to your album. And the other ways you can save your QR code to your album, you go to pay or receive, then you click on receive, then you click on save. So this is how you can create your Alipay step by step in getting it verified. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about business, importation, getting trusted suppliers, sourcing and everything, don't forget to follow this channel. My name is Seidu Saudikaba and this is Business with SK. Bye bye and see you in my next video.